Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel with another new video from Trentino, Italy. Just I am opposite side of the Trentino city. The Trentino city is the lower of this mountain, and I am at the top of the mountain from opposite side of Trentino city. And now I would like to show you something extraordinary. This is the old cannons. This is like a museum. It's built on Roman style. I mean, it was built by Romans maybe long years ago, but it is still intact. I mean, so it seems to me that reconstruction or everything is ongoing properly for it. So, so no, it's really in a very good shape. You see? Oh. Okay, from here I would like to show you some awesome sceneries. See it. Wow, see the cannons. I don't know when it was used, maybe First World War or Second World War, and it was used might be from the top of the mountain. So if there is any history, then I can tell you. But I really don't know too much, and there is nothing written. But this seems that it was used maybe in First World War or Second World War. Now it is almost dilapidated, but the structure is really still intact. See the mountains. I am right now. I am in Dolomiti range, and I'm at the height of 1.6 kilometer from the lowland. I mean, from the city. If I show you the city, then you can see here. This is Trento city, and now I am really in the very top of the city by riding on the mountain. So just I'd like to show you the Trentino city from here, and the colossal. I think this is like a colossal. I don't know its really name. Batistiti. What is its name? Batistiti Ce E Cesare Battisti che preparò a Trento. Wow, nice. Okay, so let's see everything. In my opposite side, you can see also the Dolomite ranges. Actually, the mountain is very high, but I am almost 1.6 kilometer in the upper area of the mountain. So that mountain is looking smaller, but it's a very big mountain. Okay, let's explore more. Actually, it's exploring some new areas is like a new something discovering on your own eyes, and this is the proof of that, because I did not know too much that what is the beauty uh, at staying what is the beauty available at Trentino, but I am randomly just traveling to different places, and when I saw something, just I try to make record it so that you guys can see it. But this is mind blowing. This is just mind blowing. Maybe there is a museum here. Might be inside. I am not too much sure. Should be. Let's see what is written here. Then we can get some more info. That was Basilica Paleocristina. There is a 5th century dilapidated construction, Chiesa. I mean the temple, Christian temples. Okay, then this is the whole area. It shows like this. Museo degli Alpini. I mean the museum at Alpine. Let's see if we can access in the museum. I am not pretty sure, but I can check and check it. What is there inside? What is the entrance? (1935). Seceda artisti. Caesar Battistitis. Caesar Battistitis. Trento, 4 February 1875. Trento, 12 Luglio. Okay. Okay, I don't know too much about Italian language. But let's go inside. Wow. Wow. The museum is open. You see these structures during the graduation for the students in Padua University. They also use like this. Oh, this is mind blowing. You see the pillars, the Roman pillars, Roman style. It's heavily built. I guess this is the main person for whom this museum was built. Battistiti. This is mind blowing. Okay, let's see some pictures to understand more. It was maybe during the First World War. Caesar Battistiti, I guess, built this one. Might be. There is no English version, so it's really difficult. This guy is Caesar Battistiti. I think. Okay, so it seems to me this museum is basically related with Caesar Battistiti and his family and his lives. Okay, so Caesar Battistiti, born on 1875. You can check through Google for details because actually I don't have too much information regarding Caesar Battistiti. Caesar Battistiti. Ok. Caesar Battistiti. Questo monumento scarvo all'entra Nazione Italia decreto in Trento ancora sogita all'Austria nel luglio 1916. I think this is related to the First World War or something. Okay, so this is really nice and amazing, amazing museum of Seceda Italy. Okay, so where there is another place to go upward, but it is restricted right now, so we can't go. And also from here we can't go, so I can show you what is the view from the upwards. But still, it's beautiful. Ciao. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and I will update new videos with new places. So stay tuned with my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. This is Jahid from Italy, Trento, Italy. Sorry, this is Jahid from Trentino, Italy. Bye bye.